Okay, go ahead, do it. What do you think of that? What do you think of that, Ben?
I think that was cool.
I think so too. Okay, you put it all back together there.
That's Christmas.
That's what?
That's Christmas music.
That is Christmas music. Your mom likes Christmas music.
Yeah.
Okay, put the ramp back down there. Put that car in. There you go. It didn't quite... Uh-oh. It's like a domino effect, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go Domino.
Okay, it'll stay down now. It's down. It's down. Put a car in there. Put a car in that launcher over there and fix the gas tank.
Yeah.
Just like that. There you go. Now turn it toward me. See how there's 3 sides on it? Here. See, it goes like that. Okay, now put a car in this launcher over here. Okay, now do it. Go start it off. I think you're ready to go.
Actually, I already did.
What's that?
No,
No, there needs to be a car right here, so it goes down and hits that. Okay, go start it up. That's pretty cool, isn't it?